Hi, welcome back. Today I will show you how to archive cards and unarchive your cards in the Trello on your iPhone 12. So let's start. Okay, so we need to open the Trello and go to the inbox right there. We have a card list. So we have a few options how we can view and how we can archive our cards. I will use the simple one. You have a here option. You can select any card you want to archive, click on them, and tap right here, archive. So, if you want to back one of your cards that you already archived, you need to go to here option 3 dots, choose view archive, set on this bottom in your upper right corner, choose cards you want to restore, and tap here. So, you will bring back your card. And that's all. Thank you for watching and see you later.